Drugs, drugs, drugs. Which are good, which are bad? Drugs, drugs, drugs. Ask your mom or ask your dad. You look like you're just like done with anything. You just don't. You're like, shut up, right? Tell me to shut up. No drugs, drugs, drugs. Want drugs? Want drugs? Want some heroin? Okay. I'm just kidding. You're not having heroin. I could give you a treat. Maybe later. Huh? Aw. I would never give you heroin, dude. I'm not like baby. I'm kitty. Ollie. You can't have heroin. That's not good for you. No. You can't. I forbid it. I forbid it. It'll never come to this house. At least not for you. I'm just kidding. I won't do heroin. But anyway. Drugs are good. Drugs are bad. Which ones? Ask your mom or ask your dad.